Alrighty folks, got a base amp. It's 12 pill, straight 12. Worked on this a while back. Put some pills in it. I put 4 or 5 new SGs in it. And he's got high SWRs, had a little mishap. So I put him some new SGs in it. He didn't hurt the pills that I put in there last time. So we got straight 12. Just want to do a little video to show you my work. She's good to go. A little test video, but I'm going to try to set the chin on there and get just a little bit of air to it. Because she will get hot if you hard on it. You might get a little to it. Yeah, to put some heat out. Anyway, we're going to turn him on. Look at him with radio drive to start with. Reflect power, radio drive, follow reverse. Get on down, cheater. 1000 watt peak, radio drive. Get on down, cheater, follow. Input turn, radio drive, 0. I'm gonna turn a little Texas Star. I'm gonna be putting about 1000 watt scale. Get on down, 200 in it. Turn back on. Reflect power, driven, 200 drive. Get on down. 1000 watt slug. Get on down. Oh, peak, you know what's going on. Get on down. 2500 watt slug. Worldwide. 23, 2400. Get on down, input turn good. Worldwide, go down, cheeseburger. Worldwide, go down, cheeseburger. We got her all fixed up. Just want to do a little video. I know we fixed it fast, but I had to do it tonight because I got builds coming and I ain't got time to do it later. So while I had a little time, I got in there and done it. There she is, man. She's all fixed up. 12 pill custom base station. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch me later.